where the power meets precision, technique meets the toughness. Only one warrior claims the spotlight today. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Roy MMA, trained under the coach Varun Roy, with an undefeated amateur MMA record of 3 wins. Make some noise for Krishna Aswani.
So we have a lightweight bout coming up, 70.3 kg. From the blue corner, we have Krishna Aswani fighting from Roy MMA. Officials taping in laps right now. And the laps are secure.
And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, representing the Fit and Fight Club, trained under the coach Sanjeevan Padwar, holding an impressive amateur MMA record of 10 wins, 3 losses. Please welcome Prithvi Gulla.
The crowd is gone insane. There's so many supporters of this. But hit to put it outside now. Get the ground and pound entry. That is the question. Krishna trying his best to defend. The full guard locked him.
Danny body at punches stroke score कर.
Prithvi using his strength to transition into a ground and pound entry. Krishna has to be maintain his composure. He can still manage an upset. Prithvi trying to pound on him. He postures up and Billy passes guard. He does manage. He's trying to strike. He's trying to get those ground and pound strikes. Krishna is doing a good job right now of holding him and not letting him get the finish. There's 10 seconds remaining. Seems to be an issue with the glove. Fixed. There's just 10 seconds. Krishna needs to hold out. And round one ends. Spectacular performance by both of these. Prithvi is showing us brute strength. He's showing why he's been called the gorilla. The crowd has erupted into sounds of the gorilla. Krishna, on the other hand, is surprisingly defending well. Even after that initial slam, he was shell-shocked. He definitely looked shell-shocked, but he did not let that get to his head. Tried to maintain his composure, and he was successful in defending against the gorilla. And now we have a look at the crowd. This is turning out to be a great fight night. All of them enjoying. Warriors Dream Series has organized an amazing event. Now we kick off the second round. Let's see if there's any change in the game plan. As of now, Prithvi will go for the slam and try to finish the fight on the ground. Krishna is a striker. He should stick to striking and distance control. Can Prithvi land the second takedown this time? Krishna trying to strike. He's playing the fight to his strengths. Nice leg kick by Danny. And Prithvi trying to pressure Krishna. Head kick by Krishna. And a leg kick. Oh, nice overhand. Nice right overhand. And a huge slam. Huge slam by Prithvi again. Krishna trying his best to desperately escape from this position. Crowd going wild right now. I wish you guys were here to experience this. There's the side control. Krishna needs to be calm. This is an intimidating spot to be in, but Krishna needs to be calm. Prithvi landing some strikes. What is the game plan from this? Is it a Kimura? Is it a transition into a ground and pound entry? The future will surely tell us.
Hi Rohan, so we have the live polls in the YouTube chat where 60% predict Prithvi is going to win this bout. But yeah, there is still good support for Krishna as well.
That's good to know. The crowd definitely has a favorite. Krishna has the chance to have a big upset right now. Krishna's trying to bridge, but the thing is, Prithvi is creating so much pressure, the bridge is turning out to be useless right now. has him in a strong side control, not letting Krishna escape. The official gives a warning to stand them up. There's 10 seconds remaining. Prithvi had the knee on belly for a second and the round ends. Krishna needs to switch up. Range control is the key when you're fighting against such a relentless grappler. You need to control range. You need to set up the threat of an uppercut. Knee, you can't set up the threat of a knee here because it is amateur rules. But then again, you can definitely... Just look at Prithvi right now. Just look at him. He's happy. He's in his zone. He's confident about this. And we have the crowd cam again. Prithvi definitely is the crowd favorite. Let's see what we have in store for us. We have the last round now. Let's see which style wins in this showdown. Krishna is striking, he's using the strikes, and a good solid takedown defense by Krishna. Another one. I think he seems to have figured this out. Can he outstrike him? Prithvi using his strength. He's thrown 3 consecutive overhands. Krishna stuffs it, and he stuffs it really well. He has him in his guard now. He has the underhook secured and locked in. He should not allow Prithvi to posture up. That could be very, very dangerous for Krishna. Prithvi lands a strike. And another one. Another.
It gets really difficult when you're down and Prithvi is up. It's a difficult position to get out of it.
Exactly, and with such an opponent like Prithvi, and he has him in reverse, Kesa. Will he go for the Kimura? That is the question. He has an opportunity for a Kimura right now. Krishna trying to trap Prithvi's head.
Krishna,
That requires a lot of flexibility.
Krishna is currently 3-0. It's going to be a deciding number for him today.
Can Prithvi pass the guard? And he passes the guard effortlessly. He's in side control again. This is like half a crucifix.
It's been
They're
some
in
good
north-south right now. And they've transitioned into Kesa. Prithvi needs to get into a ground and pound opening. And he lands a strike. The crowd goes wild. One more. The crowd is chanting to the tune of his strikes. Prithvi trying for the single leg. Stuffed by Krishna. Good job. Krishna needs to strike. Keep distance, create the threat of the uppercut. Huge overhand landed.
good left.
Another huge one. Crowd wanting Prithvi to strike now. A head kick. Nice leg kick by Prithvi. And he lands the overhand again. There's a leg kick. Prithvi lands another overhand and the fight has ended. The crowd goes wild. The crowd goes wild. I think we know who's going to get this one. Great performance by both of them. Prithvi has shown, there's the signature gorilla. There's the signature gorilla. He's definitely shown brute strength tonight. Krishna did a good job. Some of the takedown defenses were really good on his part. I still feel he should have tried the range control. But then again, it is a different thing to predict and suggest, and it's a different thing to actually perform in the octagon. Credit to both of these fighters. Great job by both of them. Now we head to the judges' decision.
After 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecard. All 3 judges score the bout for your winner by unanimous decision from the red corner.
And receiving it goes into hand. He goes